Cincinnati, Ohio. Here I have our newest 15-day board and train. This is Louie. Louie is a 6-month-old Cocker Spaniel that came to us because, well, they just really want to get some training under their belt, get some socialization, as well as be exposed around other dogs and people. As you can tell, he's super duper sweet, but she really wants to really work and solidify those commands. Huh? Say hi, Louie. All right, let's go ahead and see what he does and doesn't do for me, and then let's go ahead and take it from there. Louie, can you come? Good boy. Louie, can you sit? Oh, kind of. It was in there. What if I sit? Yes, good. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. What about down? Can you down? No. You can run off? No. Good job. Louie, you want to walk? You want to go for a walk? No. That's okay. He's going to pull in every direction? No? Okay. All right, Louie, come. Come here, Louie. Yay! Good job, Louie. All right, as you can see, we got a lot of work to do. You can stay tuned for the remainder of this video to see his amazing transformation, and thank you so much for choosing Bulletproof. Say bye, Louie. Yeah, okay.